Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to offer Klarna as payment option with Stripe? Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. First of all, go to stripe.com and log into your account. Next, click the gear icon to open your account settings. Now find and click Payment Methods under the Payments section. Scroll down to Buy Now, Pay Later and click Turn on next to Klarna. If Klarna is in a pending state, just wait a few days for approval. Once approved, you can activate Klarna as a payment method for any Promotix event connected to your Stripe account. And that's it. Klarna is now live on your Stripe account. Start offering flexible payment options today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.